how to get Seatgeek's promo code. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open a browser in your PC, and then in the search bar simply search for Seatgeek promo code. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the first one that says seatgeek.com, and this is what your interface is gonna look like. You can see all the coupon codes starting from $5 off to $10 off. If you would like to use it, go ahead and tap on show coupon code, and then you can go ahead and copy it or simply tap on redeem at Seatgeek. If you would like to apply the promo code, make sure you're signed in on either Seatgeek app or desktop, and then add your event ticket to cart. Tap or click promo code in settings or checkout and then enter the code. Apply the code and then confirm the discount. And just like that, you will then be able to get a Seatgeek promo code. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.